guys, it's me, Jack, and today we're doing some more YouTube videos on Screencast Automatic. Close this. Let's go. We're going to do some Roblox today, not this. Roblox.com. Guys, if you want me to do Pinewood Space Shuttle with a video with that, you have to like and subscribe. If you want me to do the Pinewood Space Shuttle. No, we don't want to do space. Let's do the space experiment. Who loves space? Just leave a like if you like space and subscribe if you want to do it. This is so fun. Look at me. We're not doing that. There's no way we're gonna do that again. That's weird. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's do the daycare story. Daycare story. Let's do that. Guys, you gotta play the dare. Let's watch the. Just gonna play it. Not gonna watch it again. I know this one, and it's a really. Take it story. I just pulled my computer. Wait. Okay. Guys, you know Jelly? If you know Jelly, just leave a like. Oh my goodness. I have another YouTube video, and it's called Papa and Jack Reading Kids Books. We don't have that many likes and subscribes. So please leave a like and subscribe for our videos to get learning and education. That's what Preston says. Daycare. That's look, I'm back home. Where's my pussy? I wanna get it. Give me. I wanna get it. Okay. 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 Hello. Stop it. I will be looking after you for the next 2 days. Come on, let's head inside. Head inside. Head inside. I'm just pressing W, and it's loud. I'm just pressing S and W. It's not like. Yeah, I want to explore. All right. Yeah. Hey guys, let's watch some TV. I wonder what you're watching. Poopy Kitten? I. What are you watching at? I want to go to bed. I love this. Hey! Now mine's talking about. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm. Tacos. Tacos. I love tacos. If you will, leave a like if you like tacos. Hit that notification bell when you subscribe. Hmm? Why don't I give you the creeps that sound? It kind of reminds me of Penny. Who's doing that sound? Stop it! Papa, I'm just making a YouTube video right now. Okay? Hmm? Stop it. How do you like it? Pizza. I'm just joking. Yummy, my food. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Pizza, 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 yummy, yummy. Pizza, 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 pizza. Yummy, yummy. Pizza, 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 pizza. Yummy, yummy. Pizza, 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 pizza. Bacon! Yes. Good. Yes. 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 Oh, I got a good idea. I'm scared. Tico. What? No, we're not being silly. There was actually a monster. We're not being silly. Lily, we're not being silly. So, let's go to bed. Yes. Yes. Why am I sleeping? Good morning, children. Yeah, it's night. That wasn't even a minute. No, I'm not coming down for breakfast. Okay, I'll just come for that. We're having pancakes today. Oh, I wonder what we're having for breakfast. I hope it's pancakes. No, I want to sit. I want to sit. No, all the ladies. I'm gonna sit here with all the ladies.